Yeah, Matt's in the house. He always keeps me guessing. You never know when he'll pull out the Smith & Wesson, cause he's running and he's gunning all the way to the mall to buy some freshies. He's gonna make him look tall, gonna act something stupid, gonna act insane. So goddamn short lives on a flat plane. He's boozing it up, filling up that red cup, drinking on the liquor, doesn't know which way's up, but he better watch out cause his life's on the line. Bitch almost froze to death from some Bud Light limes, but he speaks Spanish like it's a goddamn crime with the Chilean variety. So come have some piety for Matt.
He's a friend, Matt. He's a friend, Matt. He's a friend, Matt.
Matt has always been a good friend of mine, running from the Pope, trying to dodge the hose. First concussion, didn't take it as a sign, kept on living large, driving hella cars and spitting nasty bars, playing the guitar. I'm cooking up the beat, gonna serve it to you on a dish, gotta add some salt to eat it up, you bitch. Gotta make that shit sound real nice, just like drinking lemonade with some ice. That's what Matt does, he seasons that shit, but sometimes he can't reach the spice cabinet.
Crazy to think about, man. Just last week, me and Matt reminiscing, man, on Facebook Messenger, sharing stories. Miss you, Matt. Good man. Just last year, me and Matt, we were up eating French pastry in New York. I had my earbuds in, I was in the snowfields listening to Too Short. Speaking of too short, Matt's only like 5'3", but that's okay, he's a pretty young G. See him wake up in the morning and he does Tai Chi. Ooh, Matt, I want you to have my babies. No hate, one name real and the other is state. I'm coming over, I just can't wait. Matt's a big huevon, I swear to God, chileno al fondo. But when he's not on dub reggae, he'll sell you a luxury condo. Jer was up late making beats with the bass just to say, Matt, you're the greatest. Cause we've got hits and hits, man, this one here might just be the latest. But Matt's here to pick up the pie, no portions, no fractions. And if you talk shit about Fidel, I swear to God, Matt'll give you this action. 1-2 punch, no reaction, no questions, quit asking. Smooth criminal Michael Jackson, giving you crab Sebastian. Pulling up slick, no traction. Kill you with the cat's Carol Baskin. White dynamite, he's blasting. Scary like Marilyn Manson. White man still white passing. It's Matt, he's the hero, don't trash him. He's Matt.